again. I'm William Vinson. YesWilliam.com. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Now today I wanted to show you some of the kind of training that you can get, that I also get, by being a part of Legendary Marketers. It's one of the webinars that comes on Mondays. There's 2 of them a week for the part that I'm in, and one's on Monday and one's on Thursday. And then I'm in lifestyles too. So sometimes, some weeks I have 3 webinars to go to, but I want to show you a piece of the one so you'll understand how intense this training is.
Let me just show you all real quick while I've got you here. Dale, good to see you a second time on here. In the back office for everybody who's here, you can go to your products up here and go to Marketers Club. Okay, so products, Marketers Club. And then you can scroll down to Marketers Club live training replays, and really cool. Just so you're aware, you can click start your training. You can scroll down and watch the one from last week and the week before that. But see how we brought in new clients through Google advertising. It's really simple, really easy, if you know what you're doing. And over the last couple of weeks, I showed that. So if you're brand new here and you're like, maybe you're a plumber or an electrician, or you have an existing business where you don't yet, and you're wondering, how am I going to get the word out? Go watch that training, because it's really powerful stuff. I even go into that, knowing your numbers and knowing lifetime value of your customer and knowing how to calculate. Some people are just not network marketers, right? They're just not. But they keep trying and trying because they lack the self-awareness to know that that's not what they should be doing. It's a bad stewardship of their time, right? They're maybe not bad, it's just they're learning, okay? So, when you're creating products online, in terms of like online business, online commerce, figuring out how to make money on the internet, when you start to create your own product, that's where a lot of the magic really starts to begin, okay? So, yes, you can be an affiliate. Yes, you can sell other people's products. You can drop ship. You can do eBay. You can do all this stuff. But I'm just telling you straight up, and I'm going to be real honest with you, the moment you start to create your own products is where you start to really go up in terms of, and write this word down, authority, right?
So now that you've seen that, what do you think? The training is definitely worth having, especially if you have to figure all this stuff out for yourself. You know that anybody that's going to teach you anything is going to charge you, because they got to survive too. Besides that, you're going to make it all back as soon as you get into your groove of marketing, and once you learn what you're doing, and you get through all the steps too once you figure all this out. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I hope you decide to get trained. It's your only way out. It's the only way you're going to get off the clock. So look for it in my description, and I hope to see you on the webinars with me someday, because that's where the training's at. Have a good night. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.